Yeah, hello guys. This is Stevenafford from Afford Fortune. I just want to take you through a little bit of strategy and chart work in order to be able to trade successfully with binary options. Here I'm with Microsoft browser. It seems to be the only one that seems to work on picking up this chart. The chart is picked up from a system called free charting, free stock market charts, and it seems on my computer only seems to work on Microsoft browser. Once we open it up, once we open our free stock market chart, we look down the bottom here and click on the best streaming videos. Click on free version, and you'll see some of the charting that I've already saved in this platform, but I will direct you much further to how to set this up. Anyway, this graph here, let me give us a full screen. This graph here shows, well, let's change it to something far more understandable. Euro US. Here we go. Everybody understands euro against the US dollar. Anyway, the chart shows the candlesticks and the market movement for the particular asset, euro US dollar, the last time it's traded, as we can see. Now what's important to notice is these two lines. We have a blue line and a yellow line. These are very, very important indicators to tell us where the market is going before we make any open positions with our trading with binary options. So what we're really looking for is this yellow line that crosses above the blue line. Now if it crosses above the blue line, that gives you some sort of indication the market's going to go up. And that is what the key pointer of this charting is all about. Now as soon as that yellow line has gone past your blue line, give it about 10 seconds, then make your opening position of up buy position and hold it for at least however long you might take. But you should be able to check it on your own personal charting between these time phase, which is about 15 minutes. So if it takes from this point to this point 15 minutes, and that's the sort of time you should apply this open trade, between say 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Accordingly, if this yellow line has crossed the blue line going down, then that's telling us the market's going down. And that's really how easy this charting system is to follow. You just really follow that yellow line around this area. I'm just showing this is the history of it. But in this area, this is where you're going to apply it. Now, as for example, this yellow line has crossed the blue line, and see how, notice straight away this big, huge drop of the market. That's a very fast drop. We can make a bit of money on that, probably on a 5 second opening position, 5 to 10 seconds. You're making money on that. But in accordance, you make your trade at that point going down. You should have by now have an opening position up to say about 10 minutes with this trend showing down. However, what you've got to be careful also at the same time, let me shrink this a little bit, there's a thing called a trend. And if you have a look here, there's a trend going upwards between this point here and that point, and that's what you've got to also be careful when you're judging your opening position with each binary option for assets anyway that you want to open. Bear in mind, the trend is your friend. Remember that this trend, it tends to be going upwards, so be careful you don't get caught doing too many opening positions on the downtrend where the whole picture shows it's an upward trend. So if you're taking say for example a longer term trade for the day, say for example that's 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. So you might be able to take a trade say from 12 p.m. during the day, and say in a couple of hours or 3 hours you should make pretty good money if you follow the trend. So if you open the position at 12 p.m., taking this crossover, this yellow crossover from your blue line, by about 3 hours you would have made substantial money taking that trend. Not taking these little peaks, but just taking one position and holding it for about 3 hours, and you would have made good money. Anyway, those are some of the strategies that I have found that's been productive. But if you want some more information, especially setting this up with free stock charting, just email me or find a way to get hold of me, and I should be able to show you how to set the system up for yourself if you wanted to follow investing with binary options. And these charting help you navigate through this wonderful world of investment with binary options. But for now, the date today is the 19th of the 6th, 2016. But for now, I hope you will join me in trading successfully and making some extra income with binary options. And I look forward to showing you some more of these successful strategies for the future. For now, have a wonderful day and God bless.